Hello everyone! With this video we'll explain all the steps to follow to perfectly fit a Cavel FMTL313 connector for underground installation on our 12.70mm diameter 22/99 coaxial cable. We remind that this procedure is valid for all F Series Cavel connectors for underground installation, not only for the FMTL313 model. To fit this connector on a cable, the following elements are required. Cable stripper, 2 wrenches, To fit a connector on a Cavel 22/99 cable for underground installation, use the CS22 cable stripper in this way. Squeeze the jaws firmly so that they adhere to the cable. Turn the cable stripper 5 or 6 times. If necessary, squeeze again and turn the jaws another couple of times around the cable. At this point, the cable is correctly stripped. Fit the bottom of the connector on the cable until it stops, then tighten the head with your hands. To improve the assembly, use 2 wrenches to tighten the 2 parts of the connector.